Hello, I'm John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people. And welcome to today's live open home on Facebook. Here today at 15/23 Tennyson Street, right in the middle of town, and I'm standing well away from the camera deliberately to give you a sense of how massive this apartment is. It is really quite unique, and spaciousness is a key word here. Large, big, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to do a pan now and a walk through. So we're going to pan through and have a look at the kitchen. I'm actually standing currently in the living area. We've got a nice big open plan living, dining, kitchen area. So there's the kitchen, nice and big, and a nice big bar on it as well, so that great for entertaining. Lots of space for a big dining table. And then panning around now, you get a really good idea, we should do shortly, of how large the living area is. Very spacious. Now we're going to go through to the main bedroom. Now the main bedroom is off the living area to one side of the living area, so it gives you nice privacy. And again, space is the theme. It's nice and big, lovely big wardrobes too. And a feature of the bedrooms is all the wardrobes have got almost floor to ceiling doors, and they are mirrored, so it throws lots of light around. And we'll go through to the ensuite. So the main bedroom has quite a large ensuite, and it's nice and light and bright. So again, plenty of room. This apartment really is as big as a house. It's fantastic. Okay, now another feature of this is that we've got access to this courtyard, and a courtyard, of course, is unique in itself. You hardly ever see an apartment that's got a courtyard. So access to the courtyard from the main bedroom. A nice big size courtyard. It's not pokey. We've got room for a barbecue and a table, chairs, and plenty of space. And there's also another access point from the living area, so dual access. So it really opens the place up and just makes it feel very spacious. Another thing too, while I think of it, is the floor plan is really clever, and as much you've got really good separation. So we'll just stop there. Now what I want to explain is you've got the main bedroom over here, and the living space through here, and the other bedrooms are over on the other side. So good separation for the main bedroom from the other bedrooms for privacy and peace and quiet, particularly if you've got children. Now we're going through to the other side. Now we've got a really nice area in here, which is like a lobby, or it could be a TV room or a playroom or a nursery. So good space here. And then we've got a nice big bathroom. And another thing I like about the bathroom, it's actually got a bath. So anyone with got children, young children, these sort of things are really important, of course. And as I said to you before, it's like a house in the middle of town, without it being a house, being an apartment. So we've got two bedrooms here on this side here, and as you can see again, lots of space, nice and light. And we'll have a look at the stud height here. It's a really good feature because it does add to the character quite immensely. And you'll just probably now be getting a peek too. Here's the second courtyard. So both bedrooms have got access to the courtyard, to the second courtyard. So again, another element of privacy. And we'll go through to the third bedroom. In the third bedroom, we've got lots of light. Again, you've got the big floor to ceiling mirrored doors, and the courtyard. So nice courtyard here, nice and private. So you can quite easily sit out here and have a cup of tea or read a book, and really is quite nice. There you go, lovely setup. Right, so let's go through now to the back through the kitchen area. I won't walk too fast because you can take it all in again. Doesn't it look lovely? I have to just congratulate the vendor too for the way this is presented. It's been beautifully staged, it's got brand new carpet, and the place does look fantastic. Now, this apartment is on the market by way of tender, if not sold prior. It's got a marketing price of buyer inquiry over $765,000. The tender close date is set for the 18th of June. That's a Wednesday at 3 o'clock. But don't forget to, I did mention that it is tender if not sold prior. So it may well sell before then. It's a beautiful apartment. It's nice and big. The one thing I haven't made mention of too, which is really important, is that it is right in the middle of town. Now, I've headlined this listing as Oasis, inner city Oasis, and it really is. You've got everything here around you, and a key factor of that, of course, is you've got Mill Wilson's at the back of the building in Lawn Street, and you can literally whip across the road and get a pint of milk if you needed it, providing, of course, it's before 7 o'clock. So it's just got everything on offer, and it just is marvellous and quite unique. All right then, so that's pretty much it from me. If you want to get in touch with me and get an information pack or arrange a time to come and have a look for yourself, then please feel free to. You can either message me on Facebook, phone me on 027 443 1355, or email me at jkettle@tommys.co.nz. So there you have it. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'm John Kettle from Tommys, making open homes easy for busy people. Thank you very much. Bye for now.